Hey, Mark here with Tulip. Here at Automate in the NVIDIA booth, and we're showing the latest product from Tulip that we've been developing with NVIDIA. So Tulip brings all your data on the shop floor together. We have all your apps deployed, talking to your ERP, your devices, machines. You're getting all that granular data about all the processes and the steps. Playback allows the same process engineers to use Vision AI in really powerful ways and orchestrate the detection model and the VLM model to give way more context. So for example, at this custom truck assembly, we know, you know, when an operator says I'm working on this SKU, and we know when that started and ended, but now we can also see actually there's been a truck in that bay since this amount of time, and then the work started. And actually the work finished in bay 3 and bay 4 was empty, and that truck didn't move for quite a while. And because of that, bay 2 was blocked and bay 1 was locked. And not only do we have a great visual of that, we can tell the agent, make an alarm when 3 or more bays are blocked. Make a trigger if this happens for more than 20 minutes. And that can get fed into your Tulip agentic system. And whatever tools you have set up, now that AI can actually take action. Turn on certain alarms, and-ons, messaging, look up information about who's actually on site. So that's showing how you can deploy detection models. Hey, is a truck's present? We're also using the VLM to index that video continuously. That makes everything searchable. Of course, as a big part of that, that means you're going to find video with people in it. And in a lot of places, we do not want identifying information to be made available to just anyone. So we have actually built in an entire redaction step as a part of our pipeline. So any number of people, wherever they show up, wherever we show a video or a snapshot, we can fully block out those people. But you still, can do the same search. You can still know, hey, were there a lot of people aggregating? Because that can be one of the issues that when you start to correlate with what's actually happening, it turns out that certain SKUs, certain stations, there are more discussions about what's happening. And you can actually double click into that, start to understand what's the real situation. Well, that's Playback. Hope you can stop by.